RDDT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is Reddit incorporated stock a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Reddit stock, I was bullish and the price most definitely delivered bullish, and it was all good, you know, all good and rainbows. Or was it? Let's see. So we do see that the price came hypothetically kind of inside this demand zone almost, and then still continue and deliver higher. Then it came actually here. You know, we see the price exactly stopping right there and then going up, which is good. But at the time I was not behind the chart here, so that kind of sucks. I'm just gonna get rid of all the stuff that I don't actually need anymore here. So it's not just coloring up the chart, and more importantly, we can even aim for these higher time frames, you know, higher time frame high. So the way that I'd go with it, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna have like a confirmation that I'm waiting for into the demand zone, and if it doesn't give me that, then I'm not forcing. So all I'm doing is just using my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins, and if you want to learn the strategy for free, check out the first link in the description.